Welcome to MyTrendyPhone repairs. Today our technician will perform an LCD replacement on the Huawei Honor 8. You can attempt the repair yourself, but we strongly advise you to send your phone to the repair shop. MyTrendyPhone cannot be held liable for any potential damage you cause during the DIY repair. For this repair, you will need a SIM eject tool, a metal spudger, a nylon spudger, tweezers, plier cutter, a heat gun or the heating platform, a Phillips screwdriver, some B7000 glue, 2mm heat-resistant double-sided tape, and of course an LCD with touchscreen. First thing you do is always turn the device off and remove the SIM tray. Heat up the device to soften the glue so you can remove the back cover. With a thin metal spudger, lift off the back cover slightly and then cut through the glue with it. Now you must remove the metal shield and disconnect the fingerprint scanner flex cable. Undo all the screws so you can remove the plastic middle cover. Use the spudger to gently pry the cover out and separate from rest of the device. Step number 5 is to unplug the battery and remove it out of the device. If needed, use heat to soften the glue and use a nylon spudger to pry and remove the battery. Be careful not to puncture the battery, but don't worry if it deforms. Lithium polymer batteries are soft and can be reshaped. The next step is to unplug the display flex cable connector and remove the broken screen. Use heat to soften the adhesive and a metal spudger to remove all the broken pieces of glass. It's now time to clean the frame by removing the old glue residue and swipe it off with some alcohol. Now apply fresh glue evenly to the metal frame. Before you install a new LCD, use protective films from the old one. Next, slide the flex cable through the opening in the frame and carefully position the new LCD, then plug it in into the motherboard. You can now put the battery back, but use some 2mm double-sided tape to make the battery stick to the frame. After you plug in the battery, put a plastic middle cover back and all the screws back. And now you can reconnect the fingerprint scanner and put the back cover back in place. Just add a heat-resistant adhesive tape around the edges of the back cover and put it in place. Power on the phone to test it. And that is it, another successful repair. Remember, you can find all parts and tools at MyTrendyPhone web store. Have a nice day.